Hi, it's me. It's me again. I'm back. Oh, I'm back and I'm gonna show you now the rehouse and enclosure process for uh, tiny enclosures for my slings and two bigger ones and well, enjoy, and I maybe will flick in with some voiceover. I may forgot to mention that I got a new cleaning crew, kinda more pretty and big. These are so huge. Uh, they are so pretty too. So yeah, I got these. They are living together with my millipedes, and I'm hoping that they will grow bigger, stronger, and more of them. So I just love them. They look like candy. So basically here I'm trying to copy or actually use the technique the dark den used in his enclosures for his tarantulas, the burrows, and I'm trying to do this enclosure for my 8 gigas. So it actually worked, and she accepted the hole I made for her. And as you can see, there is the hole, and amazingly she actually accepted it. So I'm very happy.
Sånt. Mm. Cool. Du är glad, Laff? Mycket glad.
And here's the small enclosure for my darlingi, and I'm just preparing it so it can burrow itself, and of course I'm preparing a tiny hole, and I hope it will accept it, so we will see.
Tror du att den kommer acceptera sittningen? Har du något val? Tänker mest på hålet. släng.
Vad sa du?
Det är bytt och stäng locket.
Är du bitter?
Han är bytt.
And here I'm preparing enclosure for my Brachypelma albopilosum, and she will actually redo everything. And yes, it's a little bit moist because I just prepared the cocoa husk and then I pressed everything together, and she actually rebuilt it quite remarkable, very nicely. I will show it maybe in the next video, but I pat it down so it will be firm, and she will I did prepare the hole, but she never used it at all. She chose to go around it and borrow this hole. So it's quite amazing how they do and react, and just made their own home. So I was trying to get her on my hand, and my boyfriend was kind of freaking out. But she didn't really want to go on my hand, so I thought I will let her go directly into the new enclosure. And of course she's very slow, not skittish at all, which is nice. Not like the Porcellio and darlingi, just bolting out. Yeah. Oh, she's beautiful. So this will be all for this video, and for the next video I think I have 2 or 3 rehouses, my GBB and my Grammostola rosea. So I hope I will see you next time. Bye!